Meaning of doppelganger.
Doppelgänger.
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 Doppelgänger. A doppelgänger is a German word that refers to a person's double or identical look-alike. In many cultures, it is believed that seeing one's doppelganger is an omen of bad luck or even death. The concept of the doppelganger has been explored in literature and art, often used as a tool to reflect on identity and the human psyche. The doppelganger motif has also been used in film and television as a device to create suspense and confusion, as well as to challenge a character's sense of reality and sanity.